G'day, I'm Glenn Morris from the Smart Energy Lab, and today in another EV charger unboxing, I'm looking at the amazing Wallbox Pulsar Plus. Now, this is probably one of their most popular models. Wallbox, if you haven't heard of them, it's a Spanish company which really are one of the leaders in EV chargers for your home desktop or home chargers on the wall, with or without a cable. They make a whole range of products. I'm going to look at the Pulsar Plus today. Now, what's cool about this unit here is that you can control it with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and set the parameters for charging your EV. That's pretty cool. It also suits both Type 1 and Type 2 connections. So if you've got maybe an older vehicle that has a Type 1 charging port, this unit will look after you as well. So let's get into it. I just love packaging these days. It's almost, it is. It's an art. You got to protect the equipment. Hopefully, you're going to do it with materials that are recyclable. And look, there's an awful lot of cardboard in this unit. And I'm feeling pretty optimistic that this is a predominantly cardboard protected unit. See the structured cardboard? It's kind of like engineered really to be strong. But easy to recycle. So good on Wallbox for not supplying with a whole lot of unrecyclable plastic, polystyrene, whatever materials. Now, I better not lose these units because I've done the dangerous bit with the gloves. And what we've got here is a little welcome card. We've got the little Wallbox plastic card here, which is opening card. It's for opening the unit. Now, these units are watertight fitting, so we've got a seal around here. And once you've fitted this onto here, you actually need to use basically a special little plastic device to open it again. So don't go popping the lid on before you've finished installing it. So that's the cover for the unit. And look how small this is. This is a up to 22 kilowatt when connected to 3-phase supply EVSE or EV charging unit. Now, I keep saying EVSE because it is the technical term, electric vehicle supply equipment. It's so hard to say, it's such a mouthful, but EV charger is what you probably think of it as. In practice, it's actually the vehicle that has the AC to DC conversion device in it. So it's actually the EV charger in the car. This is supply of AC power, but it's got smarts as well. Now this unit has, wow, a beautiful big cable. Now this cable is sometimes you'll find that your EV chargers just have a socket so that you can choose the cable you require for your vehicle. But this one comes pre-fitted with a Type 2 cable. So there's our Type 2 cable. The pins here, these are the AC pins. So if it's a 3-phase installation, there'll be 3 actives and a neutral and an earth. And the 2 top pins are communication pins with the vehicle to ensure that you can't drive off while it's plugged in, and also to determine the capabilities of this equipment in terms of what the vehicle can draw from it. So the communication pins are a vital part of the design of what's known as the Type 2 connector. The plug on the end here, of course, is to weather protect your pins, so you shouldn't lose that. I'm just blown away by how small these units are. Space is at a premium sometimes on walls, and this little unit will just fit almost anywhere. So, beautiful little unit. Now, I'm scared to peel off the sticker yet, but it looks like we've got a QR code on the front here, no doubt will send us to an app. Now, there is an app called My Wallbox, and My Wallbox app is how you can communicate with this device. So, like I said, it's got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built in. And there's all the electronics. So we're going to install this today. So let's get it on a wall and let's test it out. Oh, but wait, there's more. So this is our parking socket. We can park our hand piece, so we're not going to leave it lying on the ground. And what have we got in here? and our wall screws, some grommets, weather seals, etc. So yeah, it's a very tidy little unit. Okay, let's get it on a wall.